In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user stories in Trello. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Trello's website at trello.com. Once there, you'll want to log in using your preferred method, be it through your email, Google account, or any other option Trello offers. This should take you to your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Trello board where you'd like to set up your user stories. If you're not sure where to start, simply click on one of your existing boards or create a new one if that's more appropriate for your project. This is where we'll be doing all the work today. Now that you're on the right board, look for the to-do list, which is typically where we begin organizing tasks. Under this list, you should see an option to add a card. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll enter the first user story task. For example, you might call it something like User Content Creator. After typing in the task name, click on Add Card to create it. Next, you want to flesh out this user story further. Click on the card you just created to open its details view. Here you'll find a description box perfect for typing out the detailed user story. Make sure to articulate the needs and goals of this particular user in a clear and concise manner. Once you've input your story, look beneath the description field for the Save button. Hit that to ensure all your hard work is retained, then close the card to return to the board view. If you've got more user stories to add, as often happens, simply repeat the process. Click Add a Card to initiate the next one. Name it appropriately, enter the relevant user story into the description, and remember to click Save before closing it out. Suppose you need to add another card with similar details, you can do so by clicking Add a Card, selecting User Content Creator for the name, and carrying on with opening the card to add your user story in the description. Again, make sure to save your work. This step is crucial to ensure you and your team can access up-to-date information. Continue this method as necessary, adding cards for each user story you aim to document. By organizing your stories into digestible lists and cards, you create a straightforward visual flow. This helps you track each task from conception to completion, thereby enhancing project management and team collaboration. Every change you make syncs online automatically, so rest assured that all team members with access to the board will see the latest updates. And that's it. You've successfully created user stories in Trello.